Feeling stiff every morning? Try these 5 simple mobility moves to reset your body in just 5 minutes. Gently roll your neck in slow circles. Start to the right, then to the left. Keep breathing calmly and let your muscles relax. Now rotate your shoulders forward and backward. Feel the tension melt away as you move slowly and stay upright. Get on all fours. Arch your back upward like a stretching cat, then drop it down gently like a cow. Repeat this motion to wake up your spine. Step 1 foot forward into a low lunge. Sink your hips down gently and hold. Then switch legs. This will open up your hips and improve your posture. Finally, bend forward slowly and try to touch your toes. Hold for a few seconds and rise back up. Do this a few times, breathing deeply. These 5 movements can change how your entire day feels. Do them every morning to feel light, mobile, and energized. And if you want more routines like this, don't forget to subscribe for weekly health and mobility tips.